Welcome to the channel, guys. In a world bustling with activity, finding moments of stillness and serenity is essential for our well-being. Meditation, a timeless practice, offers a gateway to tapping into your inner calm and nurturing a profound connection with yourself. Whether you're new to meditation or seeking to deepen your practice, this video is your comprehensive guide to understanding the art and science of meditation. We'll explore various techniques, demystify common misconceptions, and provide you with practical tips to make meditation an integral part of your daily routine. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and join us as we embark on this transformative journey towards cultivating inner peace. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's begin this enriching exploration together. At number 1 on our list is find a quiet and comfortable space. Establishing the foundation of your meditation practice begins with the sacred act of choosing your sanctuary, a space that resonates with the serenity required to delve within. In this quietude, where the outside world's clamor recedes, you have the opportunity to foster a connection with your inner self. Whether within the cocoon of your home's embrace or amidst the unspoiled embrace of nature, this choice is pivotal. Should you opt for your abode, designate a corner that exudes tranquility. In this chosen realm, distractions bow down to your intent, allowing you to seamlessly merge with the stillness that surrounds. As you settle into your chosen space, the seat you select transforms into a vessel of posture, while your body relaxes into an effortless harmony. The marriage of posture and comfort lies at the core of this choice. Through the intricate choreography of where you sit and how you sit, you're crafting an environment that nurtures both your physical form and the boundless expanse within. In this sacred space, as you find respite from the noise of the world, you're embarking on a voyage that celebrates your essence and beckons you to uncover the treasures of inner peace. Let's move on to number 2. Set a timer. Harnessing the flow of time becomes your compass in the realm of meditation. As you step onto this path of self-discovery, begin by setting a timer, a subtle guide that anchors your journey. Commence with a modest interval, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, an embryonic venture into the tranquil expanse of mindfulness. Over time, as your practice unfurls its wings and familiarity blossoms, consider extending these spans, nurturing a cadence that aligns with your evolving comfort. A timer or a meditation app transforms into your silent companion, a sentinel of focus and rhythm. Entrust it with the task of gently nudging you back should your thoughts wander beyond the boundaries of the present. In its unobtrusive way, it ensures that your meditation voyage remains on course, respecting the precious tapestry of time you've woven. The timer, in its unassuming presence, becomes a steadfast ally guiding you through each session and celebrating the increments of growth as you expand your meditation horizons. Bringing us to number 3, focus on your breath. Amidst the canvas of stillness, your breath emerges as the protagonist of your meditation narrative. It's the anchor that tethers you to the present moment, a rhythmic dance that invites your full attention. Embark on this elemental voyage by observing your breath, each inhalation and exhalation, an artistry of life's essence flowing in and out. You can weave different threads into this tapestry, a gentle enumeration of breaths, where numbers blend with each inhale and exhale, an ethereal visualization of air pirouetting through your nostrils, its passage a tangible reflection of your connection to the cosmos, or a guided meditation, where a soothing voice orchestrates a symphony of focus around your breath. Yet, as your thoughts tiptoe on the periphery of your consciousness, it's natural for them to attempt their escape from the moment. When this happens, simply extend an invitation of gentleness. Guide your wandering attention back to your breath, this steady companion. In this return, you're not thwarting the journey of thought. You're beckoning yourself back to the tender embrace of the present. With each cycle of breath observed, you're traversing the terrain of mindfulness, building a bridge between the external world and the profound sanctuary within. As you intertwine your awareness with the rhythm of your breath, you're carving out a space of serenity, a place where the mundane dissolves and the journey within unfolds. At number 4, we have be kind to yourself. Within the realms of meditation, kindness becomes the cornerstone of your journey. Embrace this practice as a voyage of growth and transformation, a path that unfurls gradually, like the petals of a blossoming flower. Allow patience to intertwine with your every breath, knowing that mastery emerges through the nurturing embrace of time. As you traverse the intricacies of meditation, extend the hand of compassion toward yourself. Refrain from casting judgment upon your experiences. Rather, view each session as a brushstroke upon the canvas of your inner world. Frustration, should it arise, is a natural visitor on this pilgrimage of the mind. Embrace it as you would any passing cloud, acknowledging its presence without allowing it to overshadow your journey. Remember that the very nature of your mind is one of exploration, a wanderer amidst the landscapes of thought. Embrace this innate quality, for it is woven into the fabric of your consciousness. In this tapestry of mindfulness, self-kindness becomes a soothing balm, nurturing your growth and enabling you to explore the boundless terrain of your inner world with tenderness and grace. Last but not least, practice regularly. In the realm of meditation, consistency unfurls its transformative wings. Like tending to a garden, regular practice becomes the essence that nourishes your inner landscape. Embrace this as a sacred commitment, a daily rendezvous with the realms of stillness and self-discovery. As you navigate the currents of time, carve out a space each day, even if it's just a handful of minutes, to engage in meditation. Through this rhythm, you're weaving meditation into the very fabric of your existence. Gradually, the subtle alchemy of your commitment will reveal its magic. The benefits, like hidden treasures, will emerge with grace. The tendrils of increased calmness unfurl, enveloping your being with a tranquil embrace. Clarity, once veiled, will emerge, gifting you with sharper insights into your thoughts and emotions. The jewel of focus will shine brighter, enabling you to navigate life's tapestry with unwavering attention. Meditation becomes an act of devotion to yourself, a practice that illuminates the path to a more centered and harmonious existence. It's a journey whose rewards aren't just reserved for tomorrow, but are woven into the fabric of your very being. As you make space for meditation in your daily life, you're embracing an ongoing transformation, an unfolding odyssey of self-awareness, growth, and the infinite grace of the present moment. Thank you for watching our video on Guide to Meditation for Cultivating Inner Peace. We hope this journey has ignited a spark of tranquility within you. Remember, embarking on the path of meditation is a gift you give yourself, a gateway to inner serenity and profound self-discovery. By practicing the techniques we've uncovered, from finding your calm space to embracing your breath and cultivating patience, you're opening the door to a world of mindfulness and balance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with those seeking solace in their lives. And if you're hungry for more insights and guidance, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Until next time, take care.